Namaste my yogi friends. My name is Ajita and this video is from Inspirit Yoga. Today's topic is Kapalbhati. Don't worry, it's a very small video because I'm going to just explain the meaning of Kapalbhati, tell you the technique, and you can also practice with me for a couple of minutes. I'm going to show you, demonstrate how the right technique is. So what is the meaning of Kapalbhati? Well, Kapalbhati is a Shatkar. It means Kapal. The word Kapal means forehead and Bhati means shine. So Kapalbhati is skull shining practice. Many of us consider Kapalbhati as a pranayama. No, my dear friends, Kapalbhati is a Shatkar. Shatkar means cleansing practice. Kapalbhati cleans our body. It cleans our body from fat and phlegm, means excessive mucus. Some of us feel that we have gained weight. Some of us have excessive cough-related issues. Then such issues are taken care by a regular practice of Kapalbhati. So let me now tell you what is the right technique of Kapalbhati. In normal life, we have more inhale and less exhale. We inhale more, and when we release the breath, when we exhale, then it is very shallow. We do not realize our breathing pattern in our daily life. In Kapalbhati, more focus is given on the reverse action. And the reverse action is inhalation is less and exhalation is rigorous. So my friends, all the asthmatic patients out there must practice Kapalbhati if you are an asthmatic patient, because asthma is a problem of exhalation and we will practice more of rigorous exhalation. Inhale is automatic. So what happens is when you exhale, blow out your breath from your nostrils, your navel region, mind it, not the upper abdominal region, navel region, it goes in as you exhale, and then after exhaling you release it. When you release it, the inhale automatically happens, but you do not have to focus on the technique of inhalation. Inhale यानी कि breathe in होता है automatic. You do not have to focus on inhale, only focus on rigorous exhale with sound. But my friends, do not tense your facial muscles while exhaling. Most of us, many times I have seen the practitioners in front of me, they exhale because they feel that they are making the exhalation stressful. They are making it even more active by squeezing their facial muscles. No, my friends, not like that. You have to keep a nice smile. Your facial muscles should be relaxed, peaceful, calm. Only focus on rigorous breath, rigorous exhale. Now my friends, let us practice Kapalbhati. I have explained a lot from my side, and for further queries you can drop in your questions in the comment section. Let us practice the right technique. Let me show you how it is done. 5 times I'm going to exhale. You have to just observe my technique and then we can practice it together later in the video. So, both the hands in Gyan Mudra. I'm going to close my eyes softly, facial muscles relaxed, and here goes 5 active exhalation with the movement of lower abdomen inwards. So that is how it is practiced. As we exhale, the lower abdomen will go inwards. You do not have to pull in your abdominal muscles. You don't have to pull in. Don't try to suck in your abdominal muscles. They will go automatically, they will be pulled in because you expel out the breath rigorously. Let us start with 30 exhales, 30 strokes of exhalation. As we start the technique, you have to close your eyes softly and follow my instructions. Place both the hands in Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes softly and listen to the instructions carefully. Keep a nice smile on your face. Relax your legs. Relax your abdominal muscles. Relax your chest region. Relax both arms and shoulders. Slowly bring your focus on your facial muscles. Relax your facial muscles and forehead. Relax your complete body from head till toes. If there is any tightness in the muscles, then observe that and release your tight muscles. Prepare your mind for 30 strokes of exhalation in Kapalabhati. Gently place your right palm on your navel region. Left hand will remain in Gyan Mudra over your knee. We have placed the palm of right hand in order to observe the movement of navel region in Kapalabhati. This is optional. You can place your right hand in Gyan Mudra over your right knee, whatever suits you. Yogi's choice. And here we go. Take a nice long breath in. Inhale. Let us start rigorous exhale. After every exhale, you are going to inhale, but this is going to be automatic. Here we go. On your 30th exhale, keep the exhale long. Make the 30th exhale long, my friends, and gently place your right hand in Gyan Mudra over the knee. Eyes will remain closed softly. Observe your forehead. Observe your eyebrow region. Observe the peace and calm in your forehead region. Observe the changes in your breath. Slowly bring your focus outwards. Rub your palms together. Eyes are closed softly. Place both the palms over your eyes. Open your eyes in your palms. Rub your hands on your face, and that's how we end the practice of Kapalabhati.